Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So right now I am going to share with you who won the $20 Cash App or Venmo, or either you can choose a gift card. In my last savings challenge video, I played a game, Money Bingo, and the amount that accumulated, you know, when I bingo, that turned out to be $20, so I decided to give it away as a prize. So here are all the names for Money Bingo. So let's see who won. And the winner is, sorry about hitting the camera, Paulette Williams. So I'll get in touch with her and see if she want me to send it via Cash App or Venmo. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Yes. So next we have the $15 Dollar Tree gift card. I gave away $15 Dollar Tree gift card in my Dollar Tree and CVS haul. Yeah, go check those videos out. They had some good couponing going on. So yeah, let's see who won that one. $15 Dollar Tree, Donna Clinton. Hey Donna, that's one of my faithful supporters, so I'll get her gift card out to her. So I want to thank you guys for watching my videos. As you notice in my giveaways, I don't have you subscribe and all that, but I would like for you to subscribe. But you actually, as a influencer, you make your money by people watching your video, not by them being subscribed. So I focus on you watching the video. So thank you so much, everyone who has been watching my videos and liking my videos, sharing my videos. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, we're going to be tracking my spending from December the 10th through the 16th. Last week we did December the 2nd through the 9th, and as you can see, those two question marks, Mrs Vee didn't even know what she spent her money on that day, but I do know that it was a no spend. It was not a no spend. So this week I did a little better. I would not have any question marks, but guess what? On the 10th, so you don't see a sticker here, that means Mrs Vee actually had a no spend. I spent some money, but it was out of my sinking funds. So this video is tracking my spending out of my cash envelopes. So yeah, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and my husband and I are consumer debt free at the time of this video, and I am utilizing some of our spending money to you know, plan it out and budget it out. I leave a portion of the money in the bank for my husband to use. So yeah, so as of right now, we get paid weekly. Well, I get paid weekly. I have a traveling assignment. My husband gets paid bi-weekly. So some weeks we have 2 checks and some weeks we have 1. So that's the money I'm using in this video, that I'm budgeting, I'm tracking in this video. So I give myself an allowance of $200 a week, and that consists of $15 a week for Dollar Tree. I give myself $15 a week for eating out. I give myself $50 a week for groceries, $100 a week for spending, $10 a week for personal, and $10 a week for household. And this money is not for the entire household. This is just the money that I spend when I'm by myself. Now, when me and my husband and I are together, I do not use my eating out money. That's just for when I'm by myself. So this is just money I budget out for me to use for the week. So yeah, so that's what I'm tracking right here. So Friday was a no spend. So I have a little template showing you what each sticker means. So the black means eating out. So on the 11th, I did eat out. We ordered at work some Longhorn, and that was like $18. So remember, I only had $15 for eating out, so I took $3 from spending. And then I also went to the cafeteria or cafe and got like a bowl of grits, so that was another $1. So let's go ahead and fill this in. So I did all this prepping and forgot to get a pen. So let me get my pen and I'll be back. Okay, so for eating out, I'm gonna go ahead and put $15. And then for spending, I'm gonna go ahead and put $4. Remember, $3 for the Longhorn and an additional $1 for the grits. So that Sunday, I actually brought my lunch, but I ate breakfast. So breakfast was $3.25. And then I went and got some snacks later on that day that totaled up to $2.75. So we're gonna say a total of $6 for spending. And that Monday the 13th, I went to the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, which is, I think Dollar Tree is blue. No, groceries is blue. Dollar Tree is purple. So Dollar Tree, I spent the entire $15. And then I went to the grocery store and spent like $8. I got some ground beef and we had tacos that day. So that's $8. So on the 14th, I went to CVS and picked up some personal items and some household items. So the personal item was $3. P for personal. And as you can see, I ran out of pink stickers, so I got my pink ink pen. Let me zoom you out a little bit. See if I can work this camera. Yay! I'm getting good. So for household, I'm gonna do an H for household. And that was $4. So you know I coupon, so that's why the prices are so cheap. And so on the 15th, I don't remember, I didn't write down what I did, but I know I spent a lot out of spending, so I'm gonna say $10 for spending, and also on the 16th, $10 for spending. So Miss V spent all her spending money. Can you believe I spent $100 this week? Let me see if I can add it up. 10, 20, 10, 20, 26. It don't add up to 100. Oh yes, I forgot to write it down. What day was that? Monday. I spent $61.51 on some hair. 52 cents because I am getting ready to put some braids in my head. So yeah. So I spent all of my spending money. So that's it for the tracking my spending from December the 10th through the 16th. So yeah, so at least I got one no spend. Yay, yay. So we gonna get my wallet and see how much we have to roll over into Miss V's envelope. Okay, I'm back. This is the my Bella Taylor wallet that I won on Instagram. And I'll go through and show you. So yeah. So Miss V really was living life this week. And it's okay, that's what I budgeted money for. So remember, what is this? Household, remember we only spent like $4, so we should have like 6. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, got $6. We're gonna put that back because remember, I take this out when I do my cash stuffing and I roll it over to my Miss V envelope. But January, I'm gonna do something different. So personal has $7 because I spent 3, remember? So that's 16. 7 plus 6, so far I got $13. And you know, spending is empty. Dollar Tree is empty. And eating out is empty. And I only purchased 1 milkshake this week. Yay! Thanks to my beautiful supporter who sent me this Starbucks gift card. I do not drink coffee, but I do get their strawberry frappuccinos, you know, and it's similar to a milkshake to me. So yeah, thank you, Darlene, for my gift card that has helped Miss V with her spending. I appreciate it. We in this together, people. So yeah, so grocery, remember I spent like $8, so I should have like $42. So I got 42 plus 13, not bad. I still have $55 to roll over into my Miss V envelope. So guys, let me tell you what happened to me at the bank. So this is just a little your little inspirational moment. If you don't know, I am a Christian. Not meaning that I don't do wrong. That just means I accept Jesus Christ as my Savior. And that's not what this is about. So I'm just telling you that, just so you'll know. So I do believe that the things that you do in life, good and bad, do come back to you. Like even the bad things that we have dealt with in life, depending on what it is, I'm not going to say everything, but we know why we go through some of the things we go through. At least I know why I went through some of the bad things I went through. Just like I know why I'm being blessed also. So with that being said, I was at the bank, and I'm a credit card user. So when I have a certain amount in my envelopes, I use my credit card to pay that actual bill, and then I go back and pay the credit card with my debit card. And the reason why I do all that is to gain reward points. And as of this video, I have $100 in rewards points, and that's gonna go towards my mortgage. So get to the story, Miss V. Okay, I went to the teller, and I thought I had $193, and she kept saying, you only have $93. I said, no ma'am, I had $193. So she put it back through the machine twice. And so I was saying to myself, okay, I'm not gonna argue with her. I know I had $193. So I mean, she's showing me the money. I knew she didn't take the money, so I know what I gave her. So I said, okay, that's just a loss of $193. So I just only put $93 in the bank. That was the money that I had to pay my credit card with. I charged $193 worth of things, and then I put the $193 back in the bank so I can pay the bill. So I was like, okay, so I just take the $100 out of our buffer, or either out of my Mrs Vee envelope to pay for it. So I went on to CVS, and I got a phone call from the bank, and the manager was like, were you just in the Wells Fargo? I said, yes ma'am. And she said, the teller said you was $100 short. I said, yes I was. She said a customer found a $100 bill and brought it up to the counter. $100 bill here at Christmas time. At Christmas time. Hold on, let me get this call. $100 at Christmas time in the middle of a pandemic. Okay. Reason why I'm telling you this is I can remember on several, not one, not two, not three, not even five. I can remember on several occasions where I have found money and returned it, or either a cashier was giving me too much money and returned it. The moral of this story is do right and it'll come back to you. It's going to come back to you. And you do wrong, of course, you know that's going to come back to you too. So, yeah. The customer returned the $100. So they was like, I need you to come back and so you can deposit the money, because we can't just deposit the money. You have to actually, swipe your card, and we need to have access to your account. So yeah. So yes, God is good. So yes, that customer, whoever they are, thank you. That was very nice of them to return that money. So yeah. So this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to continue tracking my spending. And I'm going to help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day. Have you seen my update of my new craft area? This is a sneak peek of the wallpaper. So check that video out. I'll have it linked. This is the Property Brothers. If you watch HGTV, this is some of their wallpaper. Yeah, I did a pretty good job. I can see some imperfections, but it's okay. Yeah. Have a nice day. Do right. Go out and do right so right can come back to you.